All right, so I have 3 tools for you to use when it comes to posture. And I find myself a lot currently in this time of a lot more time on the computer, a lot more time reading, and I'm getting into this rounded position. When the posture begins to round in, it does more than just give us aches and pains and stuff. It also can affect our ability to breathe fully for the front side of the lungs and the rib cage to expand. It can affect our digestion, compressing the digestive system. It can affect circulation, and many more things. So it's a good idea to straighten ourselves up and stand a little taller, open ourselves up. So 3 tips. First one is to get to know where your head is. And make this move, and it's called the Jalandhara engagement in yoga, where we take our chin and we press it back. Yeah, so when the head goes forward, it gets real heavy when it's hanging off the front of the body. So what we're doing is trying to press it back and get it to stack on the spinal column. The movement, when you first do it, often it feels a little awkward and a little weird and a little silly, but I assure you, it's okay, you'll get used to it. This shifting back sensation. The idea is the very top of the neck where it meets the skull, that spot, trying to pull back and up, lengthening the back of your neck slightly. So this shifting back position. So there's number 1. Number 2 would be the front of our shoulders. What happens is we use these hands of ours so much, and often when we're typing, we're turning our arms in and rolling our shoulders in. So taking time to roll the shoulders out the opposite direction. So there's another move in yoga pose where we have these cactus arms, sometimes they're referred to goddess arms, where we spread our fingers and pull the shoulders back, and we get the front of the chest, the front of the shoulders to begin to roll open. So what you can do throughout your day is when you're walking or when you're standing, spin your thumbs out as far as they can go, and that rotation will help to open up, because the shoulders can roll in and they can get painful in the back of the shoulder blades and things like that. So this spiraling open movement. Third one is a little metaphor philosophy to use, and it's to move like a cat. And if you have a cat, or if you've seen a cat, if they're laying down on the couch and they shift to move across the room, typically they get off that couch and they'll stretch. They'll open up, they'll move the other way, and then they'll get on with things. So taking the time throughout your day just to move the body in different ways all throughout your day. It doesn't have to be a full hour of yoga, but can it just be 30 seconds all throughout the day to keep the body mobile, to help open up the posture, to help the lungs to open up so they can breathe, decompress the digestive system, all these beautiful things. So be like the cat. Whenever you get off the couch or you walk across the room, you get out of your car, let's take a moment to open up, to stretch, and get on with your day. All right, hope that helps. See ya.